you so much. I come into your presence this afternoon to ask you for permission, and I promise to take care of your daughter. I know what she meant for you. Please permit me to take care of her from today. I came here to ask you for the permission. Please.
Ya, selamat ya, Semita sayang. Kau sudah dewasa, sudah bisa menentukan hidupmu. Mama percaya engkau anak yang luar biasa. Kau sungguh anak yang membanggakan buat kami. Dan Colu juga kami percaya kalian akan menjadi keluarga yang membanggakan bagi kami. Khususnya keluarga Sinaga dan Purba. Ya, selamat melangkah bersama Tuhan Yesus.
Since you are an African man, I want to quote an African proverb. The African said, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, please go together. So please be with my daughter. You still have a lot of way to go and remain blessed. And may God bless you all in God's mercy. Let's celebrate our service for your marriage today.
Terima kasih ayah dan ibu, kasih sayangmu padaku, pengorbananmu meneteskan peluh untuk kebahagiaanku. Tuhan lindungi ayah dan ibu, dalam doaku berseru, tetes air matamu yang kau tabur di tuai bahagia. Tetes air matamu yang kau tabur di tuai bahagia.